guys, today we are gonna be jumping into a Valentine's Dollar Tree haul. The items today, y'all, blown away. And mostly all of these are new to me. So let me know down in the comments below if you've seen them before, okay? All right, let's jump in. First off, I have these popcorn buckets, I guess is what they're gonna be considered. But I love the designs, and I eat popcorn all the time, so I'm just gonna make sure I keep them rinsed out. But you can also use them as just like decor. You can, put little or you can make it a basket. You can just put your items in there, whatever works for you. And they're just calling on the bucket. But I really like these designs, and they come with 2 in there, so make sure they don't double charge you for that. And then I got one of their pails, but I love the ombre effect to it. So it's got that light pink, the red, and the dark pink. And they had 2 or 3 more designs. Also came out with this. I can't remember. I know they have these all the time. I just can't remember if this print is new. Hopefully you can see it. I just got it so we can put our keys in it, just kind of store all of our stuff so we don't lose it, my husband's wallet, things like that. This bag with that same print, I went ahead and grabbed these. These come in a set of 2 as well, and they actually had the other prints as well for this. I just grabbed this one, and this one is actually being called a popcorn tub. I guess shareable for kids, that would be a cute idea. Or a gift basket, a care package. You can always put your little stuff in there, some socks in there, some makeup, stuff like that. Y'all, these are so cute. Mine, and it's black and red, and it's got that white glittered background, but it's glass. So if for any reason, you also don't like the heart on there, you can always scrape it off and just keep that background, change it up that way, or you can even pop off the back and change out the background yourself there. Look at that cute little mason jar. That is so cute, and it's got the pink background, light pink mason jar, and then love right there. Love is actually on top of the glass. So that's really cute. And then this one, y'all, I love this one. This one is my absolute favorite. Went ahead and opened it. Look at that, love mail. Try not to get to reflect. That is so stinking cute, y'all. And then it has like To My Valentine, hugs and kisses, XO. It would be so cute if you could like open it and be able to slide letters in there. But you know what you could do if you wanted, because the back does pop off, you could both like just write a few little letters or whatever, notes, and just kind of put them down there and then pop the back on, glue it in. That'd be cute. And then open it on Valentine's Day. I found these. I don't think these are new, but I just thought they were really cute to craft with. They have some blank ones, pink, red, and you get 15 pieces. Found this, Love You to the Moon and Back. Y'all, look at these flowers. Is that not beautiful? And you don't have to just keep this for Valentine's. Like, this would be pretty for spring also. Now, these next few signs are so cute. Y'all, look at this. And you know what? This bike and like Valentine's, I have seen a lot this year at other stores. Like, so that like it's giving that spring Valentine's vibe. But this says Love the Journey. But I love that pink. Look how big it is. I love the pink and white with the roses. It's very pretty. They did that one good. This one says Love You More. Y'all, look at that blue and those flowers. Is that not adorable? Like, you could keep this out for spring too. It doesn't have to just be Valentine's. Now, I am not a gnome fan. I don't know, I'm sure I've said that before, but what I loved about this is the leopard, and then it reminds me of conversation hearts. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So what I can do if I really wanted to is I could put like a big bow or flowers down here, or I could just even cut this part off if I didn't want the gnome. But I really think they really did a good job on this. Like, it is, yeah, that one's a good one. It's adorable. Then I picked up these Happy Valentine's Day, and it's that red with that gold. And then, y'all, look at the flowers on this one. The flowers are continuing to stay in these designs, and I am here for it. I love it. Look, love is all you need. And the flowers have a tiny bit of glitter, and that's it. So they're not covered in glitter. That last one didn't have any glitter at all. Look at these. I am blown away by these. Look how big they are. They're giant mason jars. Y'all, this says Happy Valentine's Day. Always remember that you can always pluck this off because it's that extra layer on there, and I don't think they're hard to like run a spatula. Or you could just change out this if you didn't want it. Like change it to a different color or your whole new design, whatever you want. And there's no glitter on this. They did a really good job. I cannot believe how big this thing is. Like, and then this one says hugs, kisses, and Valentine's wishes. And this one is cute too. I like the pink a lot. They did really good on these. And this wasn't in the Valentine's section. So remember that Crafter Square has Valentine stuff as well, and I will be showing you that in the next few hauls also, so kind of adding in here and there of things you can use without it being in the Valentine's section. So I found this, and it's just love cutouts. So you can use this as a DIY, you can use it as the stencil. They call it just like a wood plaque. So you can always paint this, add some flowers on there. All kinds of things you can use this for. So I thought that was neat. And then I also found these laser cut wood words. Love. You can find these all the time. But there's 2 of these. And these are going to be great for DIYs. You can glue them to like a picture frame, or just kind of put some blocks on the back and set it up on a tiered tray. You can paint it, leave it as it is, add it to a wreath. That would be cute. These are roses, and I just got a 6 count of these. They're just the pink. They have red, and I'm not sure if they have white or not. I do know they have red. I just am going for more pink this year. And then I found these in the Hair Essential section, and they have one with a different color pink also. But look at these little clips. They say love. And these are going to be great in a care package if you wanted to do that. Little Valentine's basket if you do that. You can just pop them on and off. I got these to journal with. So I got really big into junk journaling, and I'm kind of doing a Valentine's one, so that's what I got these for. Look at this pom-pom garland. I think they came out with these last year, but these are so cute. And they had a red one, but I didn't need the red. And I got these also for journaling, but you can absolutely use these for what they are, is garland. So put them on, you know, your fireplace, under your TV, and these are gonna be really cute. And then I found some of their plates. So this again is just like that bucket. So it's gonna be that same design with those different pinks and purples. They're like a watercolor heart is what they are. And there's 18 in that. And then I found these napkins. These XOXO, and the heart is like a watercolored heart as well. It's like purple, pink, and a little bit of yellow in there. But, you know, you can use these for decoupage with these. You can journal with these. Yeah, they're going to be great. And this one has a little bit less yellow than that one. And then I also found these napkins. These are really cute. This is the newest print, it seems like, for this year's one of them. And then again, that other napkin set was like these. So that's really cute. I couldn't find the plates to these, but that's okay. Did find these, but they were not in the Valentine section. These were actually in the party section. But look. So, and these you get a 16 count with. But how cute are these? These are gonna elevate it so much more, but it also has those flowers to it. You see the flower together, so they'll still be good together. Then I found these ribbons, and I wanna say these are from last year, but they are still so cute, and they have little heart cutouts. So I got the red, the light pink, and the dark pink. They are just so adorable. I found this pink velvet ribbon. Now, they had red, black, and white, I believe. But I only got this one because we don't keep velvet in our house. My fiance has a phobia of it. So I'm just gonna hide this one from him, put it in my journal to journal with it. And then that's the reason I didn't get a lot. But these are a knockout in my opinion. They did a fabulous, fabulous job. And then I found these window clings. Guys, I found so many, but I limited myself to these. They're just pink and purple and so stinking cute. These are my favorite out of all of them that I found so far, but I'm still gonna keep my eye out for more that I love. Also in the crafter square, I forgot this was in there, it says I got hugs. So it's just little square pieces, and you just pop out the little pieces of in between the words. So you can use that for DIY. Found these little flowers. Look at these. They're sticker flowers. There's glitter on these, so be careful. But it was really hard not to find any that were smushed. So those are cute. And I'll open these. And these are gonna be great for, again, if you're sending out a care package, which I might do for my niece this year because she lives in a different state. Your Valentine's gifts, crafting, journaling, just all kinds of ideas. Just decor pieces you can elevate. And again, there was, a lot of them were smushed, but that's okay. I still like those. I might have a problem. So I found some of these in the Valentine section and some in the Crafter Square area. So I'll show you the Crafter Square ones that will still work for Valentine's, like journaling, or if, again, you just want to do it for a gift basket for your kiddos. These are going to be really cute. Look, I love the love. But I was kind of going for the sweet theme. That's what my Valentine's theme is this year, is sweets. And then this, well, too much Valentine's. The Kiss Me is what Valentine's I found, but the popcorn, that's what got me, guys. That popcorn. It's so cute. And then the perfume, chic soap. I just thought it, oh, I just love that popcorn. I found these s'mores, and they have nothing to do with Valentine's, but I thought they were adorable. This one's Jot, but it had that sweet theme to it. I think these have been out for a little while now. I just grabbed it. I seen it. Wanted to stick with the sweets. The only one I didn't get doubles on out of this bunch, and it's just so cute. It says, I love you. These are, got that sweet hugs. These were adorable. And then y'all got two of these, because look at them. Ugh, let me just pull it out. Look at the little cupcakes. And that cake, look at that cake. And the ice cream. This one just got me, the macaroon. So this is gonna be great to craft with. They're so adorable. These stickers actually have like a very soft feel to them, like almost like a felt velvety feel. I don't know, they're amazing though. Now I want more, but I wish they had more like this. Look at those balloons. Look at that typewriter. That typewriter and that bike is what got me, and the key. Look at that. And these are going to be also good for not just Valentine's, but also for like wedding journals or like decorating anything with your wedding, stuff like that. Look at those macaroons. Oh, these are so cute. I think those are my favorites so far. I got 2 of these. These are neat because they're actually like a 3D type, like bubbled up 3D, but they're also shakers. Like, oh. So they have little silver confetti hearts in them. And yeah, and they look like little Post-it stamps. That is so cute. I got 2 of these. These are actually the same way, like this one, because look at the little love banner. But these are cute. Same thing with these. I got doubles. Now these say Happy Valentine's. There's a heart with wings. Look at that tag. What does it say? Happy Valentine's Day. And this is little rose and the letter. But I just thought those were cute, and they're shakers as well. I also just picked up a pink basket because they do have a lot of their organizational stuff out. I wanted this just for my craft room, or I'm gonna send it as the basket for the care package. You can kind of use that to decorate the inside there with, to hold all of our stuff. You know, or you can keep like all your stickers in there or any craft supplies. This was a bonus one, but I got this because I like to have a table runner in the middle of my coffee table. And this, I found this for $3 and I figured why not try it out, see if we like it. You know, it's just felt, but I thought it was cute. I'm going with the conversation heart theme. I think I'm gonna iron on letters, like words. Sent me. These last few items sent me. Look at this kissing booth, 50 cents. They made a booth themselves, a whole booth themselves. Look at that. And then, look at that one. This one is adorable. I love the lines. I wish they would have added a little bit more to this one, but at the same time, I love the pink. These are gonna be great for tiered trays. Great for tiered trays. But look how stinking cute that is. It's got the little banner on there. What? What? For $1.25. Y'all, blown away. Can you believe it? I had to get 2. They didn't have any other color that I seen. And it is a actual cut, like suction one that you can use. How great is this gonna be for your coffee bar, your hot cocoa bar, your tiered tray? I'm gonna put my sugar and my coffee in it. I should have grabbed more, but I didn't. And if you don't like pink, spray paint it. Just tape off this part and spray paint the pink. Can you believe that? I hope this year, Dollar Tree brings out every holiday one of these, because I will buy them up, because the jars nowadays are so expensive to have cute decor jars. $1.25. $1.25. I was absolutely in shock. I'm going to show you a clip of what I found at Hobby Lobby of the mini version of this, and it was like $5. That was my last item for this Dollar Tree haul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, because I have a lot more hauls coming your way. I have some more Valentine's goodies to show you guys. So thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.